2026 Buick Envista. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, auto climate control. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.